Ciao Tesla people. So tomorrow I'm going to do a long trip and I wanted to check my HaloBLK discs if they're tight enough. So is this a check that I do every two months usually, and it's pretty simple. You unlock the HaloDiscs. Okay, super simple. And then you tight the lock. Okay. What I wanted to see if the one inside is locked, okay? It should be fine. Every time I see this doing the same thing, I know this is fine. Yeah. But let's do a check. Yeah, it's pretty fine. So let's put it back. Okay. And then let's lock it. Very simple. It's just to check if the lock mechanism inside is tight enough that, you know, by spinning the wheel doesn't somehow get loose. This is still plastic, okay? So you don't want to break anything. By the way, if you break something, they have repair kits, right? So they send you the piece that you want. Not sure how much it's going to cost, but compared to protect the rim and all the efficiency gain that you have, I think it's worth it. I just did a video about the efficiency gain that I have with 3 accessories. So you can check it out then. Let's do this, and that's it, and lock it. So let's do the same thing in the back. Let's see here. It should be fine. Let's see. Yeah. Lock like this. Usually this one gets loose a bit, but the other one is fine. So I check that, and that's it. And you tighten a little bit this, and you put it back. The cover. Very simple, you know. When you have a very well engineered accessory, parts, system, whatever you want to call it, that's what happened, you know. Yeah, tight a little bit. Very good. Just give it tight with the X screw, and that's it. Super simple. Now some people say, well, if you need to fill your tires with air, what do? This is what you do. You take off the cover, you remove the screw, remove the discs, fill the tire, and put it back. Probably a minute, 2 minutes. Not a big deal. Okay, this was a bit loose. That's it. Super simple. And I tighten a little bit this, and then put it back in the cover. Very cool. Very simple to do it. So I'm very happy about the HALODISC discs. If you want to buy it, link is in the description. They have basically for all models of Tesla, Model 3, Model Y, Model S and Model X, and all wheel sizes, which is pretty cool. And also they have some new colors and new design. And also you can print, you can make your own design and they will do it for you. Of course it costs a bit more, but you know, you can customize it really well, your car, and save some money. So I have 21 inches tires, wheels, so I gain, the efficiency gain is higher on my car compared to, for example, 18 or 19 inches, of course. But I saw that efficiency went up to 10% or 8% depending on my average speed. So higher average speed and lower, of course, is the efficiency. So around 125, something like that, kilometers an hour, I have the best efficiency. At least that's what I measure until now. Tomorrow I'm going back to Florence, 400 and some kilometers, mostly highways. So I'm going to keep track of the efficiency and the consumption that I have. And I'll stop again at Magliano Sabina, which is halfway at 200 kilometers, and check it out there, what's the efficiency. Also have some free supercharger kilometers from referral. So if you buy a Tesla, use my referral code, the link in the description. You can get up to 500 euros or $500 discount on your Tesla purchase. And also, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you next video. Ciao Tesla people.